left to right. He does. And then he the little right and left chicane, which is one of the cart links here at Barbados. Then another hairpin, and then he remembers to turn left this time, which he didn't do when he was here on Friday. Comes out through the slow, the right-hander, and then heads westward, and then he's going to come north back towards us again through another of the karting links, gets the tail of the Yaris out very neatly, hairpin to the left. Oh, Martin is realising this is his last bit of let's have fun this weekend. So is he going to get some air?
Throw it!
And he goes down over the roller coaster bridge, through the second element of the S's, and the finish line is just there. And then, and the little, and Martin's going to, I hope he doesn't think the Barbados Rally Club is paying his time